What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We'll be showcasing a bunch of Tacomas today. Starting off with this third generation Tacoma that we just installed a Bilstein 6112 setup on with 5160 rear shocks, Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms, and a Deaver add-a-leaf. We'll also jump right into this fourth generation Tacoma that we just installed a King suspension setup, 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters, King Blue Camburg Kinetic Series, billet uniball upper control arms, and EIBACH rear lift springs. We're going to be running some 35 12.5 17 Nito Ridge grapplers that we installed on the customer's Pro Comp wheels. We did all the trimming and necessary modifications for tire clearance. Let's now bring out this fourth generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road on 35s and an awesome King setup for a test drive. Here's a cost-effective setup for you. Bilstein 6112s, 5160 Deaver add-a-leaf, and Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. We also did some RR7V wheels on here in matte black with a gloss black simulated beadlock ring with some 285/70/17 on this third generation Toyota Tacoma. Next up, we have this fourth generation bronze oxide Tacoma. This one's in for an Old Man Emu MT64 3-inch lift setup. The OME MT64 setup consists of 2.8-inch aluminum shock bodies that are tuned and matched for increased comfort and control while allowing the vehicle to sit 3 inches higher than stock for added ground and tire clearance. This kit also comes with the OME upper control arms, which allow for better caster settings out of the box and gives you roughly 1 inch more droop compared to other UCA brands. And last but not least, it also comes with the rear coil spring for about 2 inches of lift. This vehicle came in with a previously installed set of Method MR704s in a 17 by 8.5 size in matte black that's wrapped in a 285/75/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W. '88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us and still want to take advantage of our deals, make sure to check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com, where we help you take out the guesswork on what parts you need to order. We have a ton of prepackaged, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted lift kits to fit your vehicle for the perfect stats. For a limited time, use promo code YouTube at checkout at 88rotorsoffroad.com to get $100 off a set of RRW or Method race wheels. You'll get free shipping and $100 off a set of 4. Lift, wheels, and tires are on the vehicle, and alignment has been performed, so we're going to bring it out now for a quick test drive. Next up, we have another fourth generation bronze oxide Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one is in for a King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shock setup all around with compression adjusters, Camburg Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms, King end links, and EIBACH rear lift springs. This customer came in with a previously installed set of Lock Off-Road Baja wheels in desert bronze. If you're looking for a set of Lock Off-Road wheels, check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com to get free shipping. And in case you're wondering, these are 285/75/17 Nito Ridge grapplers that he had installed on the vehicle previously as well. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have another 4th generation Tacoma TRD off-road that's in for an EIBACH Stage 2R setup with Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. Wheel and tire of choice here are RRW RR7V wheels in a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset, wrapped in a 285/75/17 tire. Next Tacoma in is a 3rd generation TRD off-road model. This one is in for a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilover and shock setup with compression adjusters, Elevate billet uniball upper control arms in King Blue, and our Deaver add-a-leaf system. Wheel of choice here are the HFX1 in 17 by 9 with the 0 offset in satin black by Vossen. We're running some Needle Ridge grapplers in a 285/75/17 with a body mount chop. Next 3rd generation Tacoma is in for a Bilstein 6112 and 5160 setup. It's carrying some weight in the back, so we're doing a Dakar EL111R leaf spring. The other rack, we have a 2nd generation Tacoma that's in for a 6112 5160 setup with Deaver add-a-leaf and Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. It's definitely a great setup to refresh your suspension. And when you want the best of the best and aren't afraid to spend a little bit more, these right here are the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC. This setup right here is paired up with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver add-a-leaf system in the rear. And if you want a best bang for your buck type of setup, here's a Bilstein 5100 setup with OME lift springs, Deaver add-a-leaf, and Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. We did the RRW RR7V matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring wheels on here with some 285/70/17 tires. And here's another 3rd gen Taco with the popular 6112 and 5160 setup. You guessed it right, Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms and a Deaver add-a-leaf. Next up is a 3rd generation Tacoma that's in for a 5100 setup. OME lift spring in the front with, of course, the Elevate upper control arms and a Deaver add-a-leaf system in the back. This allows us to clear 285/70/17 tires on the customer's previously installed wheels. And let's squeeze in one more setup for the day. Another 4th generation Tacoma. This one is coming in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC Evo. We're lifting the rear with some EIBACH lift springs and pairing the front up with some Camburg Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms. Our tech is seen here mounting up the rear reservoirs. We're pretty much done with this install. Here's a closer look at the rear end, and we'll swing over to the front end so you can see the new coilovers installed with the upper control arms. The owner of this vehicle is not yet ready to upsize or change out the wheels and tires, so we're throwing the stock ones back on for now. And that's pretty much all, folks. Thank you very much again for always tuning in and supporting us. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another cool video. We hope to catch you on the next one, guys. Take care.